Nestled on a low promontory above the River Nore, the ruined square tower of Grennan Castle stands like a time-stained punctuation in the green Kilkenny landscape, a lonely monument to medieval ambition and later turmoil. The castle you see was erected in the early 13th century by Thomas FitzAnthony, an Anglo-Norman lord who came to Ireland in the wake of the Norman invasions and became Seneschal of Leinster. His estate and fortifications helped establish Thomastown as a medieval crossing and market town. The name itself commemorates Thomas's influence. Built on the footprint of an earlier motte and bailey, Grennan's compact keep, roughly 18 by 13 meters, was designed not as a sprawling royal palace but as a robust local stronghold, thick limestone walls, narrow windows, and a defensible position beside the river. Over centuries, the castle formed part of a working manorial landscape. Orchards, fish ponds, outbuildings, and a watercorn mill are recorded in descriptions from the 17th century, telling of a place that was both residence and economic hub. The castle's story turns sharply with the upheavals of the 17th century. In the 1650s, during the Cromwellian campaign in Ireland, Grennan was besieged and surrendered after a short resistance. An episode that marked the start of decisive ownership changes and the castle's slow decline from a lived-in manor into a ruin. After the Cromwellian confiscations, the property passed through a succession of grantees. Later records note portions of the castle and its fabric being robbed for local building stone in the 19th century. Local memory dresses the stones with story as well as fact. Folklore collected in the 20th century preserves a curious legend of a king being sold by a woman at Grennan, a reminder that ruins are also repositories of myth and that every crack or arrow slit can hold a dozen tales. Today, Grennan Castle is an atmospheric ruin set in pasture, its window holes dark against the skyline. From the air, the building's simple rectangular silhouette and surrounding hollow of the old motte reveal the Anglo-Norman plan at a glance. A military footprint softened by centuries of grazing and ivy. Visitors pause at a nearby viewpoint. Local guides point to the River Nore's sweep and to the medieval traces that thread through Thomastown's lanes. As your drone drifts closer, listen for the echoes. A 13th century seneschal building a new center of power. A busy early modern manor with orchards and mills. The thunder of a 17th century siege, and the gentle attrition of stone turned to farmhouse wall. Grennan is small in scale, but large in story, an Irish ruin whose silence invites the camera and the voice to fill in the centuries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated.